Are you tired of carrying around big and bulky storage containers for your delicious desserts? Introducing the Cookie and Cake Carrier Container with handle and lid. This convenient cake carrier is compact and can hold up to 45 cookies and 32 mini cupcakes. But that's not all. This unique food storage system also comes with adjustable trays, allowing you to pack and transport a variety of foods. Whether it's cupcakes, brownies, cookies, cheese platters, deviled eggs, or even pizza, this container has got you covered. And if you're looking for a way to store snacks like chips and pretzels, simply turn the cake box upright and use the bottom legs to form little compartments. Fill them up with your favorite snacks and you're good to go. What sets this dessert container apart is not just its practicality, but also its quality. It is proudly made in the USA and comes with a generous 1-year warranty. If you experience any issues within the first year, we'll replace it, no questions asked. And for those who are concerned about compatibility, please note that this product is designed for use in the US. International customers may require an adapter or converter. So why settle for subpar cake containers when you can have the Baker's Santo Ngo Cookie and Cake Food Storage Container Carrier? Protect your delectable desserts and transport them with ease. Buy now and enjoy mess-free kitchen experiences with fresh baked goods always on site.